how to install Cisco AnyConnect VPN. So for that, there are different ways to do it. Either you can go to your organization or a school in order to get this, and after that just install it. And if you want to download it on your own, then just simply go to any browser and search for Cisco AnyConnect. After that, this is where it will lead you to. All you have to do is just open up the very first link that you will see from the Google search results, and this is where it will lead you to. After that, you need to click on download section and click on download options and download the VPN. After that, it will be downloaded to your device. Just click on the installer and follow the instructions and install it. After it is installed, just click on it and it will appear on your taskbar. Then it might show as a blank, but you can go into the settings and change the settings according to your organization or school's need. After that, you will be able to configure everything and make it work. And this is how you install Cisco AnyConnect VPN. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.